I am not trying to steal some Big Macs, okay? My seat is like red. Additional $1. But they also asked me to click confirm. Starting off our deliveries with $8.74 for 2.9 miles at McDonald's. Let's go pick up this order. I just turned Uber Eats and DoorDash on. I got a bad order on both apps, and then I got this order. Some days I get orders like right away. Yesterday I came out at the same time, and in the first hour of having the apps on, I got a total of 4 offers. They were all bad offers, high mile, low pay, and I declined them because I'd rather sit there and not use my gas to make barely any money. I'd rather sit there, not do orders, than take orders that don't make me money. And that's exactly what I did. I sat for a solid hour declining orders. This one's at Wawa. Let me peek at it. $6.50 plus for 2.4. This one's on DoorDash. Should I unassign? No, because this one's $8. I'm gonna decline this one on DoorDash because the Uber Eats was showing $8. It's sending me a Burger King order saying $6.50 for 3.9 miles. I'm gonna decline it, and I need to pause it. I don't know why I'm not pausing. Decline. I don't care that my acceptance rate went down. Let me make sure I pause that. It didn't. It's not letting me pause my dash. It keeps sending me orders. $5 for 3 miles. Decline. My acceptance rate's going down. And pause. Uber is sending me an additional $1. Additional $1. I'm going to screenshot that. Pay attention to the road and just decline it. I got the goods. I completely forgot to bring my GoPro in. I wasn't thinking. And the worker asked me to confirm that I got the order at McDonald's. I've never had to do that at McDonald's before. I don't mind doing it. And the girl next to me that was waiting on a DoorDash order, she said, when the worker walked away, she said, you could still unassign it after you do that. And I'm like, first of all, I don't mind doing that because it cuts down on theft and missing orders. And second of all, why do you sound like somebody who has done that before? Like, that is not my journey. I am trying to make this $8 and pay my bills, put food on the table. I am not trying to steal some Big Macs, okay? I hope she waits longer for her order. No, that is not cool. Hi, I'm in the parking lot, comma, where do I meet you? Question mark. They are redoing the sidewalk at the entrance. Awesome. Hi.
You got the McDonald's?
Yes.
That's for us.
Oh, awesome.
They both for the same people, right?
Yes, both for Kelly.
Yes, that's us.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. $8 for 7 miles. I'm going to decline that Uber order. I'm getting another order at Wawa, $2.50, 2.9 miles. I am not accepting that. $11.61 for 3 miles. That looks okay. It's 2 orders at this Wingstop. So
pick up at Wingstop.
As I zoom in, one is at Wingstop, and it's taking you around the plaza. But if you look, it's probably the Chinese place that is right next to it. Thank you. What's the last name? P? Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. So I don't know if you heard, but they also asked me to click confirm, and now I'm going to this Chinese restaurant, which always asks me to confirm. Uber Eats, Cassandra.
Okay, just confirm the pickup.
All right, now we have both orders. Okay, the Chinese food is delivered first. Meet at door. It is a business. God. There is my bag. It's ripped at the top because I mean I had it for years. But my seat is like red. There's red little fibers all over my seat. This is crazy. I'm not using this bag anymore. I don't know if she was in a rush or something, but she like snatched it from me. So those are both dropped off. They were both businesses, and I got an order at McDonald's, $6.50. I think it was like 2 miles, but I accepted it as I was pulling into here, trying to hurry. Hi, 580. Thank you. They did not ask me, and actually I seen the code from the door when I walked in, so that could have just been anybody walking up. And now it's asking for the last 3 digits to make sure I got the correct order. So leave at door, please put it on the table, and it finally looks like a house. That came out to $6.50 with a $4 tip. So in an hour and 10 minutes, I did a total of those 4 orders because one was a double. I should be at $26.85 if nobody takes their tip off, which would be great. You know, you always risk somebody, especially that girl with like the attitude. She kind of snatched the bag from me. I don't know if she's just having a bad day or she was in a rush, but if everyone leaves their tip on, I'll be at $26 for an hour and 10 minutes, which is great. You could get off my ass, that would be nice. So destination is on the left. So before it starts raining, I'm gonna head to my second job, and I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.